Alright, so I should probably be making a video on this since these are something that I am going to install in the Accord here. So these needed a lot of DIY. I wouldn't recommend this if you don't know anything. I would recommend something that's more let's say, easy, and that would fit your car. This is universal, so it's meant to fit a lot of different vehicles, and it's just, you know, terrible. Anyway, I got the wiring going, so it's gonna be halos on one, and then obviously the LED in the middle here. See how good that magnifying glass is. I did test it out, and it is pretty bright, but I want to see how bright it is, you know, in the nighttime, and obviously in the fog. So that's what these are going to be for. You're going to go down in the bumper down below. Right now I am going to solder, heat shrink, all that fun stuff right here. This is actually this garage door wiring. See, I got a new garage thing. It's Wi-Fi and everything. And these wires are really nice. They are pure copper. They're not these little tiny weird ones. It's just pure copper. So this is really nice. I tested it out with those little battery charger thing, and turns on. Everything turns on. So this is already heat shrunk right here, and then I put tape on it, so no water or anything gets in. And that's the paste and the solder and the gun. So let's keep going. I don't know how well you guys can see that. It's got solder on this side, no solder on that side. I'm gonna do a little bit more on this guy, but the trick is to just get it covered so that it doesn't separate when you tug on it. I tugged on it already, it's solid, but I'm gonna add a little more just in case. This one over here, you put the paste on the cables, and then you just put the gun on the guys, and then they will solder. Then you slide the heat shrink over, heat gun, and then that's a solid connection. And I put tape on it just to secure it as well. All right, so this is after heat shrinking the thing. I'm gonna add some tape just like this side right there, and that'll be that. Okay, so I skipped the whole wiring because I had to go. But this is just the lows, which are tiny little halos, which are way brighter than the actual halos. So that's nice. And then I connected the other ones to the high beams. I mean the low beams. And as you can see by over here, they're pretty bright for $20-something. So yeah, that's it.